Welcome back. So I've just entered a trade on AUD USD. I'll just share the trade for now. Um, so I hope you can see my screen. Basically, the weekly is due a retracement. It's been bullish for like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 weeks or something, and then it had a pullback and I readjusted. And this week I'm expecting it to get the proper pullback to this. If you look at the daily, it gave me a rejection from the previous day. And the other thing is it's all bearish. Daily went bearish over here. If you look at the 4 hour, 4 hour is itself bearish. So um, So I waited for this manuscript to close where this is, it opened at 6 and it closed at 10 o'clock. Uh, and then basically what I waited for is the price to come back, retest it, and then give me the push below. That's exactly what happened. It came back, retested the zone, uh, and then now I don't know what it's doing, but ideally it should go down. Should go bearish. Apart from that, if you look at the daily candlestick, my stop loss placement is pretty strategic. It's right above, it's a 1 pip above the daily highest point. But usually I give like 5 pips of breathing room, but because I have a daily zone over here, is too close. I had to make the decision and I made it like uh, make a to like put the stop loss so tight. I could get wicked out. It is possible because you see Forex Patrick is like there is news today, Tuesday. If you look on Wednesday, Thursday, there is not much of news, but today, Tuesday, is a lot of news. So I could get wicked out today. Even if I do get wicked out, I think I would try and re-enter if it's possible. That's pretty much it. Apart from that, I'm looking into Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. I'm waiting for the 4 hour to shift bullish over here, create a new higher high. Same with Euro USD, and then shift the structure over here, up here. So once it goes and creates a new higher high, then creates a new uh, structure, a lower low, creating a bearish structure. Then read this partly sell that. That's something else I'm looking into. But that is if and only if the 4 hour is gonna close bullish, which is gonna take more an hour or something to close. We'll look into that. And yeah, it's pretty much same thing over here. It's the same pair almost. Needed to close the shift bearish and I'll probably take the sells until this zone. Yeah, I don't think any other pair is ready as of right now. So I'm not interested in any other pairs right now. And last week's pairs, I traded USD CAD and GBP NZD. So you guys can actually see I didn't close it out at a 1:2. I was expecting the structure to continue bullish. Right? So what I did is I kept shifting my stop loss. Um, how was I shifting my stop loss? is basically to the previous structure point. Pretty much moderated. So yeah, I was I held it throughout this pullback, gave me the push, and then on this 15-minute pair stretch, I put my stop loss, came back, retested it, and then it did go up. But I mean, it's okay. I would have got a 1:2 if I would have held it, but I know I don't want to do that. And a similar thing with USD CAD. I was supposed to close it out at 1:2. It did reach that area, but I couldn't hold it because what I did is I shifted my. Once it reached this location, it came back and retested. I put my stop loss over here, expecting it to keep pushing further. And then it dipped lower, so I had to close at like 1.5, 1 to 1.5. So, uh, usually I don't keep take profits. The reason being, whenever I try taking a trade and I put the stop loss, so let's say I had taken a short like this and I put my stop loss above this, say it's 33 pips, let's say I put 38 pips. If I had held it until I 1:2, what happens is sometimes it just goes through my take profit. I'm not able to capitalize out of the same risk. So usually I don't assign the take profit. But these moves are like pretty rare. So I was like, it's basically a trade-off. Do you want to hold it or do you want to miss out? What I've done is from this week onwards, I'm thinking I'll just directly or like just place my take profit because I don't want to miss out on the profits that I'm gonna make. So that's pretty much it on that. I'll show you guys now. Still in a bit of drawdown, but we'll update you guys on the trade. AUD USD 0.01 ounce. Cool.